In this video, I will show you how you can do SEO in Odoo. So Odoo has actually made this very simple. All you need to do is go to your website. Then once you're in your site, click Site in the top left. And then here under this page, you can see Optimize SEO. Now you need to do this for every single page. For example, in the news section, I have this blog post. Now, if I want to optimize the SEO of this specific blog post, I also need to go Site and then Optimize SEO right there. Now you want to write everything here. So first the title, what is it about? If it's a comparison blog post, for example, such as Odoo versus ERP. Next, then you want to write that right there. And then you want to write a description. So for example, in this blog post, I will compare Odoo versus ERP next. So when you're doing SEO, it's important to repeat the keyword that you're trying to rank for quite often, which in this case is Odoo versus ERP next. Then you can have the custom URL here, so I'm going to write it there as well, Odoo versus ERP next. And then here for the keywords, I'm going to do Odoo versus ERP next, and the other way around, ERP next versus Odoo. And I click add. Now if it's in a different language, you can select that right there, but I only have English. Then here you can select an image. So your description should actually, by the way, be a little bit longer than this. But for me, I'll just keep it like this and then click save. And now the SEO of this page is already a lot better. Now in your actual blog post, you also want to mention that same keyword that you're trying to rank for quite often. And you want to have it right here. So just go edit. And then, for example, in this section, I can also write that right there. And then here I'm going to compare Odoo versus ERP next and just mention it a bunch of times. And then after you're done, just click save. And then you want to do this for every single page that you want to do SEO for. For example, if you want to do SEO for your homepage, just go to Site, Optimize SEO, and do it right here as well. Now, one more thing that you can do is take an image, for example, you have somewhere. And then click on it, go to customize, and then right here you have a section that says description, and then you can write a description for the image. Now that can also help with your SEO if it has to do with what you are trying to rank for. So that's something that you can do with the images as well. So add an alt tag to the image. So what is the image? And then you could also rank for that. So now you know how to do SEO in Odoo. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.